Want to become a ChatGPT expert in just 30 minutes? Yes, you heard it right. You can become a ChatGPT expert in just 30 minutes and you can get a guidance that too from top founders of the ChatGPT and the workers who are working over there. So here in this video, I'll share one dedicated course for all of you where you can participate, complete the courses and get the certificates, that too free of cost. Yes, it's free of cost. So without any delay, let's get started. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel because all the important updates, all important new challenges are always available on this channel. So let's come to the directly to the course. This is the course which is provided us by the Coursera team. Okay, this course is provided by the Coursera team. You must be knowing about the platform. In case you don't know, then you can just comment down below. Now here, first of all, you need to create a Coursera account. For that, what you can do, if you are directly just clicking on this page, just click on enroll for free. It will ask you to just log in or create. Do not worry. Just click on this continue with Google. Okay, just click on this continue with Google. Select your Gmail account. If you are having multiple Gmail account, it will pop like this. Now here, just click on continue. All the things you have to just create the account first of all. Now I will show you how you can enroll. Now here it's showing full course, no certificate. Now many of you are having doubt that there are no certificate, but in the video you are seeing. So do not worry. Watch till the end. I will show you how you can claim your certificate too. Now here first of all click on continue and just click on start learning. Okay. Now here you can see all these things are committed over here. Just click on this and start the course. Now here it will just start the course. So let's see the modules. What are the modules? So here there are collection of videos, text and all the things. Let me just see. Here is the module 1. All the courses are there. There are some pre-course survey, post-course survey and the final assignment. So you can just watch all these videos from module 1 to module 2, module 3, similarly up to module 7. Okay. Now what you need to do, if you want to complete, if you know about ChatGPT, then it's well and good. If you don't know, you can watch all the modules and watch the reading material. Okay. Or if you already know, you can just complete the surveys. Okay. So just come over here. Let me just show you how you can just get the certificate and badge directly. So first thing, just come over here to here, just come over here to the post assignment. Okay, here multiple things are mentioned over here. Let me just first of all open it. So what you need to do, first of all, come over here and just click on this. Okay, just click on the course material. If by chance you have opened any other module, right? So then just come directly to the course material. Okay, so here you can see the course info is there and grades are there. You have to simply click on grades option and here you can see there are two survey and final quiz. Final quiz, we have to pass all these things so that we are able to get the certificates. Okay, so these quizzes answers I cannot provide. First and second is very easy. They will asking you survey like whatever you are using in the chat GPT. And the third one is question. So that question I cannot provide. It's very easy. You have to simply apply your skills and just complete it. And after completing that, I will show you how you can just get the get the badge. So let me just show you the survey. It will be easier for you to understand. Just click on this resume option. Just select it. I'm just showing you a demo how you have to submit all the things, right? So this is our pre-course survey which we have completed successfully, right? And after that we'll go to the post-course survey. That is the second thing, final. So here is the post-course survey. Click on it. Just click on start. Similarly, it's asking. You have to, if you want, you can watch the module. Okay, you can watch the module and just complete the challenges. Again, here you have to mention your name and just submit it over here. So you have done the survey part. Okay. Now the last graded quiz part, you have to do it yourself. I won't share the answers over here. Just complete it and now I will show you how you can just claim the badge. So let me just do it. So we have completed the quiz and this is how we completed the entire module. Now, if you want, you can just watch the course because I already know about the ChatGPT, so I have completed it. Now here in the message, you will see all these things are available over here. Now you have to just open your Gmail. Okay, just open your Gmail with which you have created the Coursera account. So if you are unable to find, just check your spam section or just check your mail section box promotion. Here you'll be getting a badge from Credly. Okay, so Credly also acts as a certificate. You'll be getting a digital badge which you can showcase in your resume. So here you have to click on claim your badge, and I am showing you how you can just claim your badge. Now just click on accept badge, and after that you can see over here that it's asking to create account. Just click on continue with Google. Just select your account. If the account is same, then it's well and good, and just sign in, and here it will ask to accept the badge. Okay, so here you have to just enter all the details if you want. Let me just select. Okay, so just click on I agree and just click on create account. So once you have created the account successfully, it will ask to accept the badge. Now just accept the badge and save the settings so you can see. Finally, we have completed the challenge and we have got the OpenAI badge. So that was the update. And for information like related, if you want to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade and want a fully fledged guide, this is the video. Make sure to watch it. Coming to the next video related to the next courses, like if you want to know about more about Google Cloud Arcade and other events, you can always navigate to the channel and just see it. All the resources guide is available. Just check it out. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. Have a great day.